Welcome to Great Choice. Top 5 Best Vacuums Cleaners 2021. Top 1. BISSELL Cleanview Swivel Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, Green, 2252. By BISSELL, Save Pets. BISSELL donates up to $10 to the BISSELL Pet Foundation for every pet product purchase. Upon activation, powerful pet hair pickup with triple action brush roll plus scatter-free technology, swivel steering to easily maneuver around furniture and other obstacles, clean edges and corners with edge-to-edge cleaning. Cleaning path width, 13.5 inch. Top 2. APOSEN Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, upgraded 24,000 PA stick vacuum 5-in-1 with 250W powerful brushless motor, detachable battery lightweight quiet for deep cleaning H251. 24,000 PA suction and 250W brushless motor. 250-watt brushless digital motor provides continuous, 24 kPa suction in max mode to complete a thorough cleaning, no matter on hardwood floor, carpet floor, tile floor, marble floor etc. And ensures comparatively quiet working environment, giving you a quiet cleaning experience. Upgraded high-efficiency filtration system. 4 stages filtration complete sealing design, and filtration accuracy of PM 0.1 which captures 99. Top 3. Oreck Commercial XL 2100 RHS Commercial Upright Vacuum Cleaner XL, Blue. Lightweight, easy to use at only 9 pounds and light in hand with a helping hand handle, on-off switch, thumb control for on-off switch integrated into the handle for easy convenience, LOW profile design, lays flat to tackle hard to reach under beds and furniture with bumpers to protect walls and baseboards, long cord, 35 feet cord so you can move from room to room without the hassle of unplugging. XL vacuum bags, collects more dirt, dust and debris so you don't have to replace your bag as often. Top 4. Shark Apex Upright Vacuum with DuoClean for carpet and hard floor cleaning, 0M anti-hair wrap, powered lift away with hand vacuum, Arizona, 1002, Espresso. Dust cup capacity 1.5 quarts. Shark's ultimate cleaning experience. Featuring Shark DuoClean, powered lift away, and 0M technologies, DuoClean technology, dual brush roll system deep cleans carpets and directly engages floors for a polished look, powered lift away. The canister detaches to extend the reach of the cleaner head, including under furniture. The vacuum that deep cleans now cleans itself. The 0M self-cleaning brush roll delivers non-stop hair removal. Cleaning path with 11-inch. Advanced anti-allergen complete seal technology plus HEPA filter. Top 5. Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel HEPA Media Vacuum Cleaner, Bagless Upright for Pets Hair and Home, Black, UH74220PC. Perfect for pets, multi-purpose pet tools tackle stubborn pet hair and dirt on furniture, stairs and hard-to-reach areas, runs like new 3x longer. The enhanced MAXLife system delivers longer-lasting suction to maintain peak performance without regular filter maintenance, powerful cleaning on all floors. Simply stir around furniture and into tight spaces on carpet and hard floors using the on-off brush roll to leave no. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.